Okay, dear students, now I think you can see everything I am sharing here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So at the very beginning, I would like to welcome you. See waiting room. Okay, admit all. Two persons want to join. Just I've admitted them. Okay. They have also come again, I think. Okay. Okay, fine. You can see. So next, just look. What can you see now? What can you see now? Just my introductory part here. And this is the same thing. And I would like to do here today's topic, changing sentence. Assertive interrogative, actually, everything you have to pronounce, you have to say or talk, you will just, when saying or talking, you will just unmute. But after you have finished your talking or saying, you will just mute. In this way, every time you will be muting and unmuting your audio. In this way, nothing else here. Okay. I would like to continue my class again. So changing sentence, but just yesterday I took my class on changing sentence and it was day 1. I designed my total class with 2 days package. So this is the second day. So you can see here, you can see day 2 out of 2. Can you see everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Just look, what can you see? Let's discuss. We were just discussing yesterday in this way. Just look, rule 2. Rule 2 now. Rule 2, and that is assertive sentence. Yesterday, I told you that the assertive sentence will have an auxiliary verb, then any action verb or uh, extension. But today, I've come with rule 2, and this assertive will be in the format of subject, then V1, VS, V2, means verb present form or SES form or past form, any form, just a verb. So if the assertive sentence doesn't have any auxiliary verb and it contains any principal verb or main verb or action verb or non-action verb, but no auxiliary verb, so then we will make the interrogative in this way. You will just write down in your khata. I think at the same time you are well prepared with your pen and khata. So just write down rule 2 in this way, and rule 1 you will just collect the things from those who attended in my last class yesterday. So now you will just continue from here. Assertive sentence with this structure, and then interrogative sentence will be formed into this structure, means don't, doesn't, didn't will be additionally come before the subject, and then verb will be changed into V1. If it remains V1 from previously, it will be unchanged, but if this verb has any S or ES or past form, it will also be changed into V1, means root form. So in this way, I think you have just written the structures. Now, I would like to demonstrate how to operate them, how to apply them in practically, just in this way. Look, examples, I've come here with examples. Look, what can you see? You will make sound and respond. What can you see now? In Bangla, you can see also Bangla. I will also talk Bangla sometimes, but I would like to continue my main class in English so that you can develop your listening and also speaking. So all the skills should be practiced. So here I give my students, my viewers just to practice and improve, develop their listening skill. So you can also see in Bangla. What can you see here?
Sir, two boys are going to school in rain.
Okay, fine. Very good answer. Okay, fine. So just they are saying they go to school. You will say just this sentence has any auxiliary verb. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. This sentence doesn't have any auxiliary verb. So we will just make this sentence interrogative. Khadija Akhtar waiting. Just I should admit her. Okay, admitted. Okay. So without auxiliary verb, I am just making this sentence in this way. Just look. Don't. A new word has arrived here at the beginning of the sentence or before the subject, and here at the same way the full stop is disappearing and question mark is coming here. So I would like to refresh the sentence in this way. Just don't they go to school, question mark. In this way I've done this assertive sentence into interrogative. I think now it has become
Sir,
clear to you.
meeting.
Okay, any question? Okay, say. Ask me if you have any question. Who want to say? Okay, look, I would like to continue my class in this way. Look, here more examples. I would like to make some examples. Can you see anything here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can see a very peculiar image here. So what happens here? He smiles happily. Okay, he smiles happily. If someone is happy, actually, though he or she doesn't have nice teeth, but he continues laughing. Though he doesn't look smart or good, but he tries to express his happiness in this way. I would like to make this sentence interrogative in this way. Just doesn't. এখানে কিন্তু আমরা কি করেছি, এর আগের বাক্যের মধ্যে in my previous sentence I've added don't, but here I've taken doesn't. এবার কেউ একজন, anybody will say me why I have taken here doesn't instead of don't. আগের বাক্যে don't নিয়েছি, এখন কেন doesn't নিয়েছি? একজন বলো।
ভার্বে এস বা ইএস থাকার কারণে।
ফাইন, এখানে ভার্ব হচ্ছে স্মাইল, স্মাইলের সাথে একটা এস মূল বাক্যে অতিরিক্ত ছিল, an additional s here in the verb. So I've taken here doesn't, not don't. So now I'm doing here and. যখন আমরা doesn't নিলাম তখন সেই additional s টাকে, ভার্বের শেষের s টাকে আমরা বাদ দিয়ে দিলাম তখন, এবং আরেকটা কাজ করলাম, at the same way the full stop will disappear and question mark will appear in this way, and if I refresh the sentence will be in this way, doesn't he smile happily, question mark. In this way now I think it's clear to you. So I have to proceed more. If you have any problem to listen to me or to see me, to watch me, will just ask me about your problem. More examples. Can you see anything?
Yes, sir.
They are. Can you guess who they are?
They are students.
They are students, all right. We can imagine, but are they are of from our school or any other institution?
আমাদের স্কুলের স্টুডেন্ট
Yeah,
Yes, sir,
আমাদের
আমাদের
স্কুলের।
student.
Okay, you can know them. Can you say which class is this?
All class.
No.
Auditorium.
All right. This is auditorium. This is auditorium. This photograph has been taken from auditorium in a function, and very often you will just observe that I am taking photograph just to use in practical situations. So just look, we should proceed here. Here we can see the information here. They gathered in the auditorium. All right. So I'm just doing what? Just look. Just look. এখানে আমি একটা didn't নিয়েছি। আগের দু বাক্যের মধ্যে আমি কি কি নিয়েছিলাম বলো তো, কে বলবে?
Don't or doesn't.
But now I've taken here didn't. Why have I done this? Who will say?
Sir, because এখানে ভার্বের past form আছে।
Verb কোনটা?
Gather verb, তো gather এর সাথে ed যুক্ত হবে past form।
Okay, fine. এখনো কিন্তু জয়েন করছে, আমি এখনো দুইজনকে অ্যাডমিট করলাম। ওকে, জয়েন করতে থাকো, and next class আমাদের I think our next classes will be more enriched and you will be more benefited from these classes. Actually, yesterday I've said that I've started with a very easy and simple topic so that you get interested and inspired to continue to attend more and more classes, and gradually I will come to more important classes and your problems will be solved. So here I've taken didn't, and then just look what I am doing here. Ed form will be crossed. Just I am going to turn this V2 into V1. If you are talking with your mother or any other problem outside the classroom, you will just mute and then talk. Then nobody will listen to you. Okay, you will just remember it. Look, now I'm going to refresh the sentence. Didn't they gather in the auditorium? Question mark. Just look. In the sentence, the verb was in past form. When I've taken here didn't, the past form ed has been crossed, so it has become a fresh V1 gather. In this way you have done. Just look, more examples. More examples. What can you see here?
Sir, Coca-Cola খাইতেছে।
I find you also like them very much, I think, but I advise you just avoid them, such kind of junk food for your good and sound health. So, but it's your favorite very often. Okay, fine, just look. I do not like drink. What can you see here? Do I like soft drink? Here, just the thing. Actually এই বাক্যের মধ্যে আগে থেকে একটা নট ছিল, বিধায় আমরা শুধু ডুটাকে আগে নিয়েছি আর নটটাকে বাদ দিয়ে দিয়েছি। মোর এক্সাম্পলস। What can you see here?
তার মাথায় হাত দিয়ে বসে আছে, অনেক চিন্তা।
Fine. Still some students are joining. Still joining, okay. তোমরা জয়েন করতে থাকো, আমি নজরে রাখছি। I am keeping you in my watch and I am permitting you. Okay, fine. And actually, the image here, he is a liar. So this is the punishment of a liar. Just look in this way. An honest man does not tell a lie. If you are asked to make it interrogative, just in this way you will do. Does an honest man tell a lie? In this way, actually, the does will come at the beginning of the sentence and not will be disappeared. Okay, what can you see here?
Do not disturb.
Do not disturb. We should not disturb him as he is doing a very important work. So we did not disturb you. এবং if I make it interrogative, it becomes did we disturb you? In this way, আমি এখানে দেখালাম যে বাক্যটা আমার দেওয়া অ্যাসার্টিভ বাক্যটা যদি আগে থেকে নট যুক্ত থাকে তাহলে আমরা নটের সাথে যে ডু ডাজ ডিড আছে সেই ডু ডাজ ডিড কে আমরা সাবজেক্টের আগে নিয়ে আসব আর নটটাকে বাদ দিয়ে দেব। ইন দিস ওয়ে উইল জাস্ট মেক an assertive sentence if it has any not or doesn't have any not. We will do in this way. Then I would like to go to rule 3. Rule 3, you are writing the things or only watching?
Listening.
Okay, you should write. You should not just keep looking, you will just write them. Okay, rule 3, now you will write rule 3. Here very attentively you will just watch it. Here assertive sentence in a different format we can see. Everybody, everyone plus verb. Here the exception is the subject must be everybody or everyone. Only these two words for this structure, only for these two words, these two subjects. If the assertive sentence has everybody, everyone in subject position, what should you do? Just look in this way. Structure, very important thing, you will just write down. Today, many students have joined in our Zoom class and we feel very happy with the attendance of more classes, and I think you will just share, you will just inform your friends, your classmates, so that in my next class, and you will keep watching our Facebook page, Uttarakhand Government Secondary Online School. This is the page. You will just visit this page, you will like it, and you will keep watching for the latest information so that you can do according to the instruction. So more and more you will inform and share the informations to your classmates and to your friends. And grammar classes, this is the grammar class and this is applicable, this is suitable for all the students. A 6th class student can attend this class, a 9th class or 10th class student also can attend this class. So this is suitable almost for all the students. So you will do this and more students will be benefited from here. Just by this time I think you have written the structure. Interrogative sentence. Mute if anybody has the okay. যদি তোমরা কোনো কথা বলার প্রয়োজন না হয় তাহলে অবশ্যই এটাকে মিউটে রাখতে হবে, খেয়াল রাখবা, you should not forget it. Okay, fine, just look. আমি very known face I can see here and I feel Nusratul Haq Ikra, just you have come now. When have you come? Can you listen to me? Nusratul Haq Ikra. Can you listen to me? Unmute, unmute. At first unmute, now talk.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine. When have you joined? Just now.
না স্যার এই 3-4 মিনিট হবে।
Oh, 3 or 4 minutes. Very poor. Okay, you have forgotten or you have problems.
Sir, I can't understand your voice.
Oh, you can't understand my voice. I want to say তোমার কি সমস্যা ছিল নাকি তুমি ভুলে গিয়েছিলা?
স্যার আমি জানতাম না আজকে 11টায় ক্লাস, আমি ভাবছিলাম যে 2:30টায় ক্লাস।
No, no, আমি বলেছিলাম I've told you that you will keep watching our Facebook page and then you will
আমিও
be
তো বলছিলাম
updated.
তো।
হ্যাঁ,
আমি
then
সিন করি নাই।
সেটাই ভুল করেছো। Then you will be updated and you can attend everything in time. Okay, very fine. And I think just attention again, just look. You will just I'm coming here again. If the assertive sentence has everybody, everyone in subject position, you will just take who. This is the new word who, and then you will take do not, does not, did not, or auxiliary not if the sentence has any auxiliary verb. যদি
Yes, sir.
বাক্যটা যদি এভরিবডি এভরিওয়ান দিয়ে শুরু হয় তাহলে সেই বাক্যের মধ্যে অক্সিলারি ভার্ব থাকুক আর অ্যাকশন নন অ্যাকশন প্রিন্সিপাল যেই ভার্বই থাকুক না কেন তা কিচ্ছু যায় আসে না। তখন ইট ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার টু লুক এট দ্য ভার্ব, জাস্ট I have the subject with everybody everyone. Everybody everyone থাকলে আমার ভার্ব দেখার কোনো প্রয়োজনই নেই। এভরিবডি এভরিওয়ান ছাড়া আগের দুই স্ট্রাকচারের মধ্যে আমাকে ভার্ব দেখতে হয়েছিল। এভরিবডি এভরিওয়ান থাকলে আমি শুধু সেটার পরিবর্তে একটা হু নিব, জাস্ট হু। দেন অ্যাকর্ডিং টু ভার্ব, অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য প্রিভিয়াস রুলস, ইফ রুল 1 or 2, অর্থাৎ অক্সিলারি থাকলে অক্সিলারির সাথে নট নিব, আর ইফ ডাজন্ট হ্যাভ এনি অক্সিলারি ভার্ব উই উইল টেক ডু নট, ডাজ নট, ডিড নট। অর্থাৎ ভি1 থাকলে ইফ ভি1 ডু নট, if vs doesn't, and if v2 did not, in this way, and then the rest part of the sentence and question mark. Just look what I am doing here. Just in this way I think you will just laugh. Everybody wants to be happy. Here the subject is everybody, you can see here. Okay, just write down the sentence and then see how I have done this sentence interrogative.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, fine. Now
Yes,
just
sir, done.
look. হ্যাঁ, আমি এবার কি করেছি, just look. I've taken who at the beginning of the sentence instead of everybody. Everybody has disappeared and a new word who has come as the subject. You have just observed the thing. Everybody যে এখানে একটা who এসেছে, and then additionally doesn't, does not, it's also new here as the verb. এই যে এখানে দেখো wants, এই ভার্বের সাথে একটা s যুক্ত আছে, সেই জন্যই আমি একটা নতুন করে does not নিলাম। and when I have taken does not, the s at the end of the want has disappeared here. Just look. More example. Everyone has done the homework, but yesterday I gave you the homework to do at home. Today you haven't shown them. Still joining Pia school? Just joining now. Okay, you are joining, keep joining. And we have come at the end of the class today. Okay, just look. Everyone has done the homework. You will just do it interrogative, and if you have done, you will just tell me.
Who has not done the work? Done the
Okay.
homework.
Okay, fine. Just look. who has not done the homework question mark in this way হ্যাঁ আগের বাক্যের মধ্যে in my previous sentence it doesn't have any not but in this sentence there is auxiliary verb আগের বাক্যের মধ্যে auxiliary ছিল না আমরা does not নিয়েছি আর এখানে auxiliary আছে আমরা auxiliary সাথে শুধুমাত্র একটা not নিয়েছি just rule 4 right assertive sentence if it starts with nobody or none. If the assertive sentence starts with nobody or none, it will be interrogative in different way. Just look in this way. Very simple. Very simple. You will just take a who instead of nobody, none. Nothing else. তোমাদের আর কিছুই করা লাগবে না শুধু নোবডি নানের জায়গায় একটা হু নিলেই কারবার খালাস হ্যাঁ okay you have written okay fine just look examples nobody loves a naughty boy কি কি কেউ ভালোবাসে বলো তো
No,
Who
sir.
loves the naughty boy?
হ্যাঁ তবে নটি গার্ল কিন্তু নটি গার্ল আবার এটার বাইরে না আবার নটি হলে কাউকেই ভালোবাসে না তাকে হু লাভস আ নটি বয় জাস্ট নোবডির জায়গাতে আমি একটা হু দিয়ে দিলাম আর কিছুই না জাস্ট লুক নোবডির যেখানে আছে সেখানে শুধুমাত্র একটা হু দিয়ে দিলাম আর বাক্যটা বাকি অংশ পুরোটাই অনুরূপ রয়ে গেল the whole part of the sentence remains unchanged in this way more examples none should break discipline হ্যাঁ
Who should break discipline?
okay fine in this way just look হ্যাঁ by this time we are in the class 55 minutes we are continuing our class 55 minutes and within a few minutes I am going to conclude my class today just next look rule 5 don't get bored just keep with me assertive sentence everything plus verb or nothing plus verb if the sentence starts with in this way okay assertive sentence starts with everybody or everything or nothing then what should we do just very important and very often you make mistakes in these structures such kind of sentences so I think you will be practicing and making more sentences so that your problems disappear okay interrogative এ আমরা কি করব just হ্যাঁ কোনো প্রবলেম
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ বলো
স্যার এই যে স্ট্রাকচারটার মধ্যে ডু নট ডাজ নট ডিড নট আছে আমরা কি এগুলো শর্ট ফর্ম ইউজ করতে পারবো না এখানে
হ্যাঁ okay very good question you can use short form or long form if do not does not did not or auxiliary not are used at the middle of the sentence and if they are not used at the beginning of the sentence you are allowed to use long form or short form I think you have got the idea you have got
Yes, sir.
okay in this way অর্থাৎ যদি আমরা ভিতরে ব্যবহার করি লং ফর্ম শর্ট ফর্ম দুইটাই অ্যালাউড কিন্তু যদি বাক্যের সাবজেক্টের আগে ব্যবহার করি তাহলে you must use short form or long form short form হ্যাঁ okay in this way the basic thing হ্যাঁ still someone is trying to join just I have admitted okay fine হ্যাঁ keep joining okay in this way just look what I am doing examples What can you see now?
Plant.
Plant. এবং তোমরা কি জানো এই প্ল্যান্টটা কি প্ল্যান্ট?
No,
In the
sir.
top the plants. Can
No,
you?
sir.
No. They are called পুদিনা পাতা। পুদিনা পাতার নাম শুনেছো?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, আমি ভাবতেছিলাম বাট
Very
পুরোপুরি
fine.
বোঝা যাইতেছে না।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, পুদিনা পাতা এটা একেবারে আমার নিজস্ব টবে নিজের বারান্দার পুদিনা পাতা, এবং এখান থেকে পুদিনা পাতা দিয়ে আমি রং চা খাই। আমি তো আবার চায়ে চিনি খাই না, সুগার ফ্রি টি উইথ পুদিনা পাতা। ওকে ফাইন। Everything is used and the interrogative sentence will
What
be
is not useful?
what is not useful. এখানে everything উঠিয়ে আমরা যখন what নিলাম, you should remember you have to take a not. এখানে কিন্তু not অবশ্যই নিতে হবে, অর্থাৎ everything উঠানোর পর আমরা what নিব, কিন্তু what নেওয়ার পর একটা not নিতে হবে, do not, does not, did not or auxiliary not. এই এটা মনে
Auxiliary
রাখতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, ওকে। More examples. You can see
Donald Trump.
this is
Donald Trump,
Donald Trump. Very
American president.
many people in the world call him Pagol.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nothing can make him cool. হ্যাঁ, এই করোনার এই ভয়ঙ্কর যুগেও সে বলে সব ওপেন করে দিব, আমাকে আগামী নির্বাচনে জিততেই হবে।
সাইকো স্যার, সাইকো।
হ্যাঁ, ওকে। হ্যাঁ, তাহলে তার জন্য আমাদের উপহার
What
হচ্ছে,
can make him
হ্যাঁ তার জন্য আমাদের উপহার হচ্ছে শুধু নাথিংটা উঠিয়ে আমরা হোয়াট বসিয়ে দিব, আর কিছুই করতে হলো না, কারণ নাথিং এর মধ্যে অলরেডি নট আছে। এই জন্য শুধু হোয়াট নেওয়া হলো। Just we have come at the end of the our presentation. Just I have to evaluate you. Now you will do. Very fast you will do.
I obey my parents?
Just at first copy and write in your khata and then tell me. Can't you see? Any problem to see?
Sir, no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Sorry. I've given here 3 sentences from 3 rules. Just do at once. Okay, who will be the first one with the first answer? I obey my parents. At first, this answer.
So don't I obey my parents?
Don't I obey my parents? এবং এটা কে বলতে পারবে এটা কোন রুল থেকে দিয়েছে এই বাক্যটা?
Sir, আমি ছিলাম না প্রথম।
Today.
Sir,
Today
Rule
I've
2.
discussed. Sorry.
Rule 2.
Rule 2. I obey
sir.
my parents. Rule 2. Okay. B. Sentence B with the answer.
Doesn't a good student go to school regularly?
Goes or go in your answer?
Sir, go.
Go. Why have you made it go?
Sir, এখানে es আছে তাই doesn't বসাইছি তাই।
হ্যাঁ, ফাইন। সাবজেক্টের আগে ডাজেন্ট নেওয়া হয়েছিল, এজন্যই এই ইএসটা ডু এর সাথে গিয়ে ডাজ হয়ে গেছে। অলরাইট। হ্যাঁ, এবার সি
Yes,
নাম্বার।
sir.
সি নাম্বার আনসার, ডিফারেন্ট পারসন, আ নিউ পারসন। ওকে। Homework, just copy them and you will do them at home, and in my next class you will definitely show me with the answers. Now write down and you will do them, and more sentences with these rules you will practice so that you become perfect with these rules. And
Sir, इसकी छोड़ दें sir.
okay, okay, তাও করতে পারো।
Sir.
Still joining, we are going to leave, we are going to conclude our class now, but someone is still joining. Hey, Abhay,
জি স্যার
তোর ভিডিও অফ কেন বেটা? ভিডিওটা অন কর, একটু নুরানি চেহারাটা দেখি। হাই, ভিডিও অফ রেখেছো কেন?
স্যার এমনি স্যার
আরে এত সুন্দর নুরানি চেহারা মিয়া আমরা না দেখলে তো প্রশান্ত হই না। We don't have peace and tranquility if we can't see you. Okay, dear students, we have come to the end of our class today. So, at the end of the class, I would like to give you an opportunity. If you don't have any question, I would like to thank you. So in this way, dear students, by thanking you today, I am concluding my class. Thank you very much.